Come on, everyone, let's get knitting. We'll use 2 spools of thread to make it. Find the ends of the 2 spools of thread, made using 2 strands of thread at the same time. Leave a 3.9-inch segment at the front. Go around here. Make the loop a little bigger, about the size of 3 fingers. We cast on using the same method, until I create the cat bed I want. The same length. Let's count the frames. 1V represents 1 frame. The knot counts as a frame too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 stitches is approximately 23.6 inches. Make the last circle a little smaller, facing upward. Next, we'll knit the second row. For the second row, start from this braid and loop it through this loop. At the same time, it needs to pass through 2 coils. We're using a double strand design. Skip the first loop here, starting with the second lap. Starting with the second row, make the stitches slightly smaller. About the size of 2 fingers should be fine. The last loop has been pulled out as well. Next, we'll move on to the next row. The next row is the same. Come around the first loop on the left here. Continue knitting to the right. The last lap here. Next, use the same method to weave back and forth from left to right. Cat bed, knit it to the width you want. Now for the main section, the cushion below is finished. This is the cast-on section, which is about 23.6 inches long. This is the width of the mat, it's about 15.7 inches. Now let's wrap things up. Let's draw another circle inside the last one we just drew. Start from the left and make slightly larger loops, about the size of 3 fingers. Make another loop around the side. Put this loop inside the loop in front. Then finish it off on the left side. Put it back into the previous loop. Put the last loop on as well. Cut off the end of this wire. After cutting the thread, thread it through the last loop. Pull it tight. Wrap this wire around here. Go around to the back. Just go around to the back. This thread at the cast-on edge. We moved it from the front to the back of this mat. Back loop. Back loop. Next, we'll work on the raised section of the cushion. We can use the same color, or we can choose a different one. I'm using dark gray thread to make it. Start building the raised section from here. Because this is made with 2 strands of thread, so each V actually has 4 lines on either side. We'll thread the fur wires through from this side. A line segment 4 inches long extending from the center of a circle. Then, from the 4 line segments next to the letter V, after passing through a ring, merge the 2 circles. After the merger, this long thread passes through 2 segments. And that's it, you're all set. Next, thread the fur strands on the right through the loop again, merging 2 circles. Pull the thread for the back edge through both loops. Keep going. one circle at a time. Do this all the way around. At the spot where it's easy to turn, on this side of the corner, go in from this corner. You just need to draw 2 lines through this side. We continue using the same method until we reach the point where the needle is inserted, the first level of the extension. We've already reached the insertion. Let's finish the last loop. Let's just do the second layer. The method for the second layer is exactly the same as that for the first layer. We're now on the final lap. This is what it looks like after adding 2 stories. If you want to make it even taller, you can add another layer. I'll just make 2 layers here and cut the line segments. Leave 4 inches. Pull out the last loop, then tuck the strand behind the loop next to it. Tie a knot in this section of yarn at the cast-on edge. You can tie it in a knot a couple more times. Tuck the end of the thread into the loop at the back. Add 2 more. You can trim the ends of the wires a little shorter. And just like that, a simple cat bed is ready. Finished product, approximately 23.6 inches long and 15.7 inches wide. Let's all get started right away.